In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run QuickBooks payroll reports. If you're managing payroll and you need to pull specific reports, this video will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can navigate QuickBooks with confidence. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open QuickBooks and locate the navigation panel on the left side of your screen. This panel is your gateway to various QuickBooks functions, including the all-important Reports section. You'll want to click on Reports in this navigation panel. This is where you'll find all the different kinds of reports available to you within QuickBooks, whether they pertain to payroll, sales, expenses, or any other areas of interest. Once you've clicked on Reports, you'll notice a couple of tabs appearing on your screen. The one you need to focus on is the Standard Reports tab. Selecting this tab will take you to a more detailed menu of reports that QuickBooks can generate for you. It's organized to help you find what you need quickly without having to sift through an overwhelming number of options. Now, take a moment to scroll all the way to the bottom of this menu. It might seem like you're scrolling into the abyss, but rest assured, this is where you'll find the section dedicated to payroll report types. QuickBooks has cleverly categorized these at the bottom, likely because they involve their own specific set of data and criteria distinct from other reports. Scrolling to the end may sound trivial, but it's important to reach the information you're seeking. Once you're in the Payroll Reports section, you'll see various types of payroll reports available. Clicking on a specific report will prompt QuickBooks to automatically run that report for you. The software is designed to do a lot of the heavy lifting here, meaning you won't have to manually input too much information to generate a helpful report. Whether you need details on payroll summary, liabilities, or a closer look at your taxes, there should be a report type here that meets your particular need. And just like that, you've run your first QuickBooks payroll report. QuickBooks handles the behind-the-scenes work, allowing you access to all the vital information you need to manage your payroll effectively. Running these reports regularly can help keep you informed and prepared for any financial meetings or audits. It really is as simple as clicking a few buttons, and you can repeat this process anytime you need to check in on your payroll numbers. Remember that having these reports readily accessible can provide insights and help ensure the financial health of your business. I hope this walkthrough has made it clear how to generate